Welcome back to our channel where we provide tools and resources to aspiring entrepreneurs who need help with starting an online business. The title, Business Idea That Can Make You Money with No Skills. I hope you are well. Before we begin, please make sure to like, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time we post. So today, we would be discussing a very interesting topic. What business idea can I start with no money? Is it really possible to start a business with no money? I would say it is somewhat impossible. Little money, yes, but no money, I would say no. One of the business ideas I am going to show you is how to make money, especially if you are just getting started and you have no money or skills or expertise. Maybe you recently lost your job, or you want a second source of income, or you need money to take care of family expenses. You could do this as a complete side hustle or grow it as a proper business and scale it to 6 figures. If this is you, the good thing about it is you don't need a huge capital to get started, you don't need skills, you don't need to spend on ads. You can use this strategy to get started right away. All you need is a computer or laptop or mobile phone and of course an internet connection. You would also need a domain and website. They are quite affordable to get because it would make you look professional. The business model is called arbitrage. It is a model where you buy a product or service in a low market and sell it for a higher value in another market. This business model has been around for quite a long time. To make it easier, offering services would be easier to sell to a purchaser because you would use their money to purchase the services they require from a low market, in this case it is Fiverr.com, and get the seller to fulfill the services for you. If you are getting value from this video, please like, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. These actions help us stay motivated to keep pushing out videos like these. So back to the video, let's use a little example. Joe decides to start a digital marketing agency called Joe Impact Agency. He has very little money to start. He registers a domain and gets a website, www.joeimpactagency.com. He lists out his services as website design, SEO services, Google Ads campaign management, and Facebook Ads campaign management. A new client comes on his brand new website and purchases a service like website design. He goes on to Fiverr.com and finds a really good web designer, who could charge him anywhere from $100 to $150 to provide the services. He sets his price for $400. His new client, who is called Ben, receives his invoice of $400 and pays him. Joe goes to Fiverr and asks his supplier to fulfill the request. Once it is completed, Joe pays the Fiverr seller $150 and keeps his profit of $250. Just imagine if Joe had 10 clients like Ben, that would be $2,500 in a month. If you are not excited about this business idea, I don't know what else would. Do you see how profitable this could be? Comment below if you foresee any problems with this business model. Is it something you could try out? We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and turn on your post notifications. See you in the next video. Thank you. And, oh, don't forget to subscribe.